In this question, you have to identify the factor that prevents diuresis, that is, excessive production of urine. Option A, atrial natriuretic factor causes vasoconstriction. Atrial natriuretic factor or peptide, that is ANF or ANP, is a hormone secreted by the walls of the heart that promotes vasodilation and increases sodium excretion, that is natriuresis, from the kidneys. It actually acts to reduce the blood volume and the blood pressure, leading to increased diuresis and not preventing it. Option B, decrease in secretion of renin by JG cells. It is also incorrect. A decrease in renin secretion leads to lower levels of angiotensin II, which reduces sodium and water reabsorption, and this would promote diuresis rather than preventing it. Option C, more water reabsorption due to undersecretion of ADH. It is also incorrect. Undersecretion or hyposecretion of antidiuretic hormone, that is ADH, which is synthesized in hypothalamus and secreted from posterior pituitary, would result in less water reabsorption in the kidneys, leading to increased diuresis, not preventing it. Option D, reabsorption of sodium and water from renal tubules due to aldosterone. Now, aldosterone is a hormone which is produced from adrenal cortex, and it promotes the reabsorption of sodium in the renal tubules, and water follows sodium due to osmotic forces, leading to increased water retention, and this helps in preventing diuresis by conserving water, that is by reabsorption of more and more water, and thus reducing the urine output. Hence, this is the correct option.